In this video, I will show you how to make snake stud earrings. Materials you will need are 3 1/4 inches of 14 gauge sterling silver round wire, 1 inch of 20 gauge sterling silver round wire, 2 earring backs, a ruler, flush cutters, 0.3 millimeter ball burr, a 0.8 millimeter ball burr, 0.8 millimeter drill bit, 1.5 millimeter setting burr, 2 1.5 millimeter round faceted stones, your stone setter's wax, jet set, a GRS bench vise or a ring holder for stone setting, a small burnisher, a stone pusher, a cut burr, round pliers, parallel pliers, a heatless mizzy wheel, a steel block, a rubber mallet, rubber wheels, polishing wheels and compound, a half round ring file, a half round needle file, hard solder, tweezers, your soldering setup, flux, torch, and an ultrasonic. To make the snake's head, I will gently melt one end of the wire into a ball. Now I will shape the opposite end of the wire into the snake's tail. I will use my thumb and bench pin to push the wire around the pliers. When forming the second snake, it should curve in the opposite direction. After they pickle, I will flatten them on my steel block with a rubber mallet. I will use a small 0.3 millimeter ball burr to make the snake's nostrils. Once the flux has burned off of the snake, I will place the post into the divot. I will be setting 1.5 millimeter round imitation emeralds. And before I do that, I will set the earrings in jet set. I will stop and place the stone into the seat to see if I need to go deeper. I will check to see if the stone is secure with stone setter's wax. With a few simple materials and simple steps in place, you can create and customize your own snake earrings.